Hello everyone, so today it's about troubleshooting RDS Skull licensing. As you know, for Citrix to work, two licenses are necessary, the Citrix license and also the Microsoft RDS Skull license. So you will have from time to time issues with the RDS Skull licensing, and your user may report that when they log in, after a few seconds, they will see a window where there is an information that in 60 minutes they will lose their connection, and that is because something is wrong with the Microsoft licensing server. And to check that out, we can use the Diagnoser tool that can be directly installed as an add-on on the as a feature on the VDA. So I have an OS 2022, and I just want to check my licensing, my RDS licensing server, to see if it's up and running, if it's up and running, if this machine can get to it and can obtain a license. I do not have one, but I don't have a licensing server, but I will show you the steps. So you can install it in two ways, via the graphical interface or via PowerShell. I will just show you the steps for the graphical interface, and then we will install it via PowerShell, because that is much faster. So here we have to go to Remote Server Administration Tools, to Role Administration Tools, then one more time to Remote Desktop Services Tools, and we just have to select the Remote Desktop Licensing Diagnoser Tools. So as you can see, it's pretty hidden, so I don't want to do it like this. I just want to do it via PowerShell. Run as administrator, because the currently logged on user is a normal user, and we can install it with a simple PowerShell command. Install Windows feature RSAT RDS licensing diagnosing user interface, or I don't know for what that stands, but this is how you install it. It doesn't take too much, and as you will see, it does not require a reboot. So if you have an MCS catalog or a PVS catalog that don't have persistent configured, so after the reboot everything is gone, you can just install it like this on the VDA that you need to troubleshoot. So it is installed, we have a success, and we do not need to restart. And then we just can launch it from here. You will have a new entry here, and Remote Desktop Licensing. So this is how it looks like. In my case, as I told you, I do not have an RDS Skull licensing server, but here you will get a lot of useful informations. So there are a few reasons why that message will show up. One of them is if no licenses are available, or if this VDA no longer has access, so there is a firewall between this VDA and the licensing server, and many other issues can appear. But yeah, this is the tool that will give you a lot of information about the licensing servers, and you will see here how many licenses there are available and what kind of licenses. And one more important thing that I told you, you will need to check if this VM has access. So it does need a firewall port. So let me just AD01 and port. So the port is 135. So this is how you can test it. Instead of AD01, you should write the name of your RDS call server. And if you have true, then a network connectivity is okay, and you need to check something else because the network is not the issue in your case. So yeah, this was a short video. I just wanted to show you how you can install it, even if it's not already installed, and it doesn't require a reboot. So you can go ahead and install it, even if you have 20 users on the server, it will not impact them. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video.